Hey, Needlebender757 here in Boulder, Colorado with another amplifier video. This thing came in for repair. I looked inside and there's a burnt 10 ohm transistor or a resistor right about here, so we knew there was a pill bad there. So we repilled it, and while we were repilling it, we noticed that this thing probably was not meant to have HGs in it. That might have been one of the reasons why it blew. I don't know. There's a lot of things wrong with this thing. It just wasn't a pill. We ended up changing all the values of most of the caps because this thing probably had Toshibas in it at once. And it was previously a tube amplifier before this was built in it. That's why it's got that plate and antenna there and driver and all that on there. But yeah, so there's probably some real interesting history to this thing. But it came to me as a blown up HG box. So we changed all the capacitors, which are a bunch. I mean, all these to the sides, all these on the transformers, just, input, output, there's a pile of parts we took out. We needed to replace a fan. We replaced the preamp. We got a nice new preamp in there, nice and neat. Not all giant and gnarly like that, but anyway. Cleaned her up, totally rebuilt the whole thing. Every time I fixed something, I found something else that was wrong. Like the power supply, we ended up putting a brand new power supply in there. 100 amp power supply. It's a Chinese one, so it's, not the best, but this thing was, hacked and mutilated in there, so I had to put the same exact power supply in there as like the only option I had, other than, I don't know, that's pretty much what we had to deal with there. So anyway, new power feeds, lots of filtering on it. We put extra caps here, and added caps here. Just, like I say, rebuilt the whole thing. We had to rebuild the traces on the board. Here, up in here. There's just a lot of work to get this thing even up and running again. It had a switch here. It was attached to the fan that just turned it on and off. With this design, with no direct airflow forced over the heatsink, those fans need to be running all the time. Anyway, let's pop this lid on and see how it works. Okay, we just put the lid on there. No screws in it. This thing's got a standby switch so we can turn it on. There's the fans running. We'll be using the Striker right now. We're doing audio. Almost 30 watts. Pass through tune. Audio. Okay, let's turn the amp on. And audio. Got a little bit of reflect, but not too much. Let's see what it's done. Audio. Almost 500 with just that little bit in. Yeah, let's just go all the way up here to where audio. Let's go to 100 watts. You can hit it with 150. Audio, but I think this power supply is limited and I don't want to beat it up. Audio. There's 100. And we'll turn it back into operate. Audio. Yeah, it's doing just about 750 there. And I believe the limitation on this is the power supply. I could hear the fan slowing down when I was talking on it. Yeah. Audio. You can't hear the relay in there. I was going to show the sideband delay, but you can't hear that relay. Anyway, it all works. It's up and running again. Audio. 750 watts. Hope you enjoyed the video. 757 up here in Boulder, Colorado. We're going to get back on that side smoking. See ya.